All right, guys, 2020 Dodge Charger Hemi. Hemi, baby. 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it, factory converters there and there. Then he brought his own kit. It's an AWE system right there, as you guys can see, all the way back. And then it didn't fit right, so they had to add extensions there and there to make it fit, and cut it on this side to make it, this side was kind of screwed up, so it's fixed now. Anyways, it's got the valve deletes on it, and it comes with these valve deletes that you zip tie away right there. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see them right there. So it makes it act like there's valves there, but there's not. There and there, as you guys can see. So they're zip tied away. It's a full 3-inch system all the way back, and then it's straight piped out the back. It's got 2 resonators in the middle, right there and right there. Then 3-inch system out the back. Then it comes out to 5-inch black tips there and there. It's a full kit. It's a really nice stainless steel kit. So as you guys can see, came out really clean, really nice. All right, we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. It's AWE Precision Automotive Engineering. Here it is. Full AWE system. Cat back with an X-pipe. Go ahead. Not bad. It's really deep. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 110. So it's not too loud. It's just a really deep system. I'm gonna back it up. Think of the AWE system. Track 5.7 Hemi. Let's guys hear on the inside. AWE system 2020. Here's that truck. AWE system on a Hemi 5.7 bolt-on track edition. Let you guys hear it.